Today we are unboxing the Predator Super Quiet Inverter 5000 dual fuel generator. Let's get it open. So first up top, looks like we have the propane adapter, a funnel, weird plug to charge the battery, I guess, the remote start key fob, these stupid instructions, spark plug tool. Let's get the foam off. Here it is. Let's take a look. All this plastic. Let's get it out of this box all the way. Here it is outside the box. You got your gas tank, gas level, pull handle, engine compartment. Let's take a... Sorry about the view. Let's see what this looks like. It's a little hard to get off the first time. There's lots of push pins. These little guys right here. Into the rubber. There's the motor. There's the starter, the battery. Looks like a charge port. Oh, so here's how you connect the battery. What you got to do first. There's your oil drain. You should have to put oil in this too. Figure out where that is. Here's your oil dipstick and filler. You got to put oil in and connect the battery first. And then here's our plugs. Here's our propane hookup. The fuel selector for either propane off or gas. The runtime. And it should show how much you're outputting. It's got USBs. The parallel run ports if you have that. This DC 12 volt 8 amp port thing, which came with those jumper cables earlier. The breakers, your 120 plugs, and your 120 30 amp plug. Breakers for those. Power switch. Start button. Quiet mode. And then here's the propane hookup. It connects to Quick Connect. Here's that cable, so it looks like you can charge the battery off of it with this. Something. Have a great rest of your day.